welcome back to my channel, DIY Panda Fun. If you are new here, like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. And today I'm going to be using these candies to make slime. I've made a lot of slime. If you haven't seen my other videos, go check them out. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go. There's 4 different flavors. It says here mango, there's grape, green apple, and strawberry. And I've had a couple of these, as you can see, because they're open. And I'm gonna do mango and strawberry, and then apple and grape. So I'm just putting it. They're all the red ones. That's enough. I'm gonna start opening these. They're really hard to open now. Yeah, never mind. I put them in different sides so I could melt them and then go mix them up and see the colors it makes. I'm gonna melt this for like 5 seconds, then 5 seconds, then 5 seconds, 5 seconds. I'll see when it's melted. I'm gonna go back. Ow! I melted them. It looks kind of weird, mostly on here. If I touch it, it goes like so squishy though. And then I melted it for 45 seconds. I went 5, 10, and then 30. I'm gonna mix this up. Ooh. Ugh. Whoa. I wonder what color it's gonna make. Wow. Well, the pink is kind of like a red, so it might make orange. It's so good. It's such a pretty color though. What? Okay, I'm gonna cornstarch. I need some cornstarch. Probably, I don't know. I'm gonna keep on mixing this. I melted this one. This one looks really well. I finished this one. Looks really cool. This is the back. I'm gonna try this one. Then I'm gonna make another one with green apple and grape, which is somewhere in there. I washed my hands, by the way. Whoa, this is a lot. Ready? Make it a little ball. Oh, good. That's really good. If you have seen the marshmallow one video that I made, marshmallow edible slime, that one, the marshmallow was good. This one's way better. I've got to say. Wow. I chew this over. So, here. I'm taking them out. Green apple and grape. This is good. You should try this at home. I got these at Target. There's a lot of green apple. Okay, these are gonna appear in here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's good. They're actually gonna be unwrapped in here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna be doing this one a little different, and this is kind of weird, but I decided to put one strawberry and one mango in it. These two look the same, but nope. Strawberry, blueberry. They're great by me. Ooh, let's mix this up. So I'm gonna, my hands are clean, so I'm gonna see you when, so they're gonna, it's pretty much molding stuff. Because since this has color and it's then white, it makes it pretty much colorful because it's white with color. And I'm just gonna good. Really good. I'm gonna mix it up and it's gonna be like green, purple, something like that. And then I'm gonna put a bit of water and I think I'm gonna melt it just 5 seconds. I don't know, something like that. So when all of these are like this in the bowl. There's so much like pausing, but yeah. Good. Instead of doing this, like grabbing one, holding it until it was that color, put it in the microwave because that would take forever. And I'm gonna put some water in here, just a bitsy. Oh my god. Ooh, that sounds weird. What did I do? Slobber. But I don't know, this was like never something I've done before, this video. I forgot to say that. It's just like something I decided to do. Is this like brown? Tastes weird. Oh no, it's like purple. It's like light purple. I like this color. Lavender, I guess, kind of. Whoa. Look at this. I try to look at that and then this together so it went look at this. So I didn't know what to do with them. I decided to do this, making little popsicles. We just had these popsicle sticks. We're like, we should do this. The water makes it way softer, but it tastes really good. A little better than that one. I don't know. This is gonna take a while, so I'm like using the sticks. This is hard. I'll see you when they're all in here. This was really messy. I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back. These two are just like, wow, I don't care. And they're gonna be frozen. These ones are gonna be frozen. These are already hard, but they need to be frozen. And it's gonna be hard to take them out because they're sticky. We forgot to put oil or something on it. I don't know. But I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. I made the lollipops. I don't know what they're gonna taste like because the last time they tasted really good, but now they're frozen. That one just popped out. It's like, but now they're frozen. Yeah. I think the rest already popped out because it's been. You can see the little lollipop. Sick. Ready? I'm gonna try both of them. I'm so excited. Ready? Tastes a little more like mango. This one's really good. It's sad that I can't bite it. Got some. And good. You should try this at home. And I got my high chews at Target. This one's really good. Don't taste a little more like grape than apple. Doesn't taste as good as that one, but it's okay. I'm good. You should try this at home. Hey! That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. And yeah, try this at home. Bye. Love you.